Intro, midnight to 010 SEC. Hey everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bajaj Pulsar 2006. Design and lights, 010 to 030 SEC. This bike features a modern and sporty design. It comes with a digital dashboard, modern pilot lamps, and clear indicators, making it fully visible even at night. Engine and performance, 030 to 050 SEC. The engine is a 150 to 180 cubic centimeters power unit that delivers a smooth and fast ride. Gear shifting is precise, and the overall riding experience is comfortable and responsive. 360 degrees view, 050 to 120 minute. Check out the 360 degree view of the bike, showing the front, side, and back design. The cinematic rotation really highlights its sporty look and sleek design. Closing, 120 to 130 minute. If you enjoyed this Bajaj Pulsar 2006 showcase, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below which bike you want to see next. Thanks for watching.